alaikum. Grade 10 boys, this is your last paper of the annual examination March 2020. We will discuss the questions and answers, and this paper will be discussed in a series of videos. I will discuss the question one by one, and maybe you will get it in parts because the longer video will be heavy for the network. So the first question, Jane answers an examination question about computers and data correctly. 6 different words or numbers have been removed from her answer. Complete the sentence and Jane's answer using the list given, and not all items in the list is needed to be used. So here you see here is a paragraph, and you have to fit in all these words here. As humans, we process what? Data, but a computer cannot process. Okay, this type of data. For a computer to be able to process the data, it needs to be converted to what data? As humans, we mostly uses what? Okay, and number system. This is base. This number system, computer uses a number system. This is the base number system. Okay, let's see the answer and we'll discuss. So the first one is analog, and then you have digital, denary, 10, binary, and 2. Okay, let's see again. As a human, we process analog data, but a computer cannot process this type of data. For a computer to be able to process analog data, it needs to be converted to what? Digital data. As human, we mostly use a denary number system. This is a base 10. Okay, number system. Computer uses a binary number system. This is a base 2. So these are the answers of this, right? Next question. Question 2. For each fill in the blank, there is 1 mark, so the total was 6 mark. Mobile identifies 3 hexadecimal numbers. Write the denary number for each 3 hexadecimal number system. What it will be equal to decimal number system. This is hexa, you have to convert it into decimal number system. So what you need to do is 2 and a, so you need to convert the 2 into binary. If you remember, we have to make 2 boxes, 4 boxes for 2 and 4 boxes for a, and then we need to find the binary code, and then the whole number you will convert it into decimal. So if you have calculated the answers like 42, 257 and 542, then your answer is 100% correct, right? Again, how? See, if we have the code for 2, so the code for 2 will be 0, 0, okay, 1 and 0, and the code for a is 1 0 1 0. Okay, so all this code together, you have to convert it into what? You have to convert it into decimal, and this will give you the answer. The first one will give you the answer 42. So this is how you need to do it. Let us discuss the next question, that is question number 3. Okay, this question is related with the compression. Mitchell wants to email a file to Elsa. The file is too large, so it must be compressed. Name 2 types of compression. Very easy question that Mitchell could use: compression type 1 and compression type 2. You have to write only the names here. The file Mitchell is sending contains the source code for a large computer program. Identify which type of compression would be most suitable for Mitchell to use. explain your choice and explanation why you have chosen this. You have to write about this. Okay, next. Okay, see now, for the explanation you have 5 mark, and for compression type you have, for this and this together you have 5 mark. Okay, so let's see the answer. How it is. It's like this. Two types of compression: lossy compression and lossless compression. Yes, the file, it contains 1 mark. Okay, for each correct compression, 3 mark for each description. Right. So the miscellaneous setting contains the source code for large computer program. Identify the type of compression. The compression should be lossless compression. And the reasons: the file can be restored, decompressed to the exact same state it was before compression. The source code, when it is received, if it is a lossless compression, you can always restore it. If it is compressed, you can uncompress it to run it again. It is the computer program, so no data can be lost. Loss, you will remove the data and will not run correctly. If you use a lossy compression, the data will be removed and maybe it will not work because it's a program. Lossless will give repeating words, section of word value, or other valid examples method of lossless compression. Okay, so lossless compression will do what? It will give repeating words, section of a word, value, other value or index is recorded in an index. So the main point is why you are using lossless compression, because if you will use a lossy compression, then some data will be removed and